In this video, I'm about to show you how to get your eBay account reinstated. eBay policies are simple and clear, and most members follow them faithfully and easily. If your eBay account is restricted or suspended, eBay will email you explaining what happened and what you need to do to get your account back. You'll find a copy of this message in your messages on eBay. When your account is reinstated, you'll be able to leave a feedback for any transactions you completed in previous 30 days. Depending on why your account was suspended, eBay may end listing early. Keep in mind that listing fees can be forfeited too, depending on the reason for suspension. If your account was restricted or suspended because of outstanding seller's fees or refund reimbursement, you can make a one-time payment to resolve the issue. To make a one-time payment, go to Account in My eBay. Beside payment method for seller fees, select one-time payment and follow the instructions. Most account restrictions or suspensions can be resolved by making one-time payment or by following the steps eBay gave you in the email in your messages. If some of your listings have been deleted and your account is restricted, do not list these items again. Creating a new account is not the best way to get back to work on eBay after a block. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.